Hey guys, Michelle here to show you another awesome Fiona feature. So if you're looking through your property and you've kind of played around and looked at all of the data in here and you agree with what Fiona is recommending, or you've already gone in and maybe edited some of this stuff and played around with it and recalculated it, and you're really happy with this recommendation, you may have noticed that there's a purchase media button over here. And what this button does when you click on it is Fiona outlines what this marketing mix is recommending. This budget is always going to be her original recommendation. And then if you did make any edits or changes, this is going to be the final your budget column. You can also make edits within here too if you decide that you do want to add a few things and play around with it then. But just this is always going to be Fiona's budget, and then this is going to be any edits that you have made. What this is going to do if you're happy with this budget is if you do purchase now, this is going to send your account manager or a account manager an email, and someone from the Digible team will reach out with you to make sure that these campaigns get up and running for you, meaning they will execute on setting up this SEO, this paid search, and this display campaign, and any onboarding items they need to make sure that these campaigns are good to go.